see them. Let me see. I will see if I can search them on YouTube. I will see them. Well, most of them they are on YouTube. Some of them they are not. So I'm going to search and see if I'm able to see anybody. But all the same, you just say thank you. Very soon we'll be traveling across Africa to do so many videos. Yeah, we just started. But God will help us. Da 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 da. So hello. Hey, morning. How are you? What happened? Yeah, they say he later died. That's what they said. Sorry, not cry, eh? You're not crying, Abi? Hmm? Okay, so don't cry. Be strong. Yeah. But you have to be happy. Hmm? You have to move on with life. Yeah, it is. It is. This where? Are you in? No, I'm around. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Sorry, guys. So I asked a question here, but nobody is ready to answer me. Some people are just watching. It's like they just love watching me talk. I think I need to learn how to talk, or sometimes when I talk, before you know, I am tired. Sometimes I talk. Some people will think I'm a talkative, but I'm not a talkative, yeah. So, well, I encourage people to join YouTube here. If you are here and if you feel like you have something to offer, yeah, you have some answers to people's questions, I think you should create a YouTube channel. And YouTube is very, very easy, simple, and there's no stress here. And YouTube works almost everywhere around the world. So I'm looking at this Savage. This is the musician. So YouTube is everywhere around the world. Wherever you are, you can do YouTube and you get result. So that's what for me, I love YouTube. I love what YouTube is doing. And so please join YouTube. If you know that you have something to offer, yeah, you have a question, you have an answer to people's question, you can join YouTube. Yeah, let people watch you. Don't just be somebody that you are here just watching people. People are not watching you. Welcome to my channel. Let's say, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about yeah, sometimes when I want to do let me just show you guys something, because I'm here to know my